If you're paying over 10,000 Hong Kong dollars to register a Hong Kong company in 2026, you're overpaying by 40%, and here's the cheapest way that actually works. Here's the problem. Most formation agencies hide the real total cost until checkout. Skip the 1,730 Hong Kong dollars government filing fee by using an e-filing agent who bundles it for 6,500 Hong Kong dollars total. Use a nominee director from day one to avoid the 3,000 Hong Kong dollars penalty for late appointment. Hong Kong requires a company secretary, registered office, and business registration certificate on day one. A local entrepreneur registers her first e-commerce company and gets quoted 15,000 Hong Kong dollars by a CPA firm. Within 3 weeks, she realizes 60% of that quote was upsell she didn't need. This is exactly why we built Bastion Formations, to strip out the markup and deliver Hong Kong company formation at actual cost. You need 4 things: company's registry incorporation, 1,730 Hong Kong dollars government fee; business registration certificate, 250 Hong Kong dollars; company secretary for year 1, registered office address. Most agencies charge 12,000 Hong Kong dollars to 18,000 Hong Kong dollars and call it a package. Most people fail here. They pick the cheapest incorporation service at 3,800 Hong Kong dollars and then discover it doesn't include the company secretary or registered office. Hong Kong Companies Ordinance requires both from day one. You can't skip them. So you pay another 4,200 Hong Kong dollars for secretary services and 2,400 Hong Kong dollars for the office. Total first-year costs balloons to 10,400 Hong Kong dollars. Do not do this. You end up paying more than the all-in-one package, and you waste 3 weeks coordinating 3 vendors. Step 2. Open your Hong Kong limited company through Bastion Formations for 6,500 Hong Kong dollars. That bundles incorporation filing, company secretary for 12 months, registered office address, and business registration certificate. No hidden fees. The company's registry filing happens in 4 business days. You get the certificate of incorporation, business registration, and company chop by day 5. Compare that to local CPA firms quoting 12,000 Hong Kong dollars for the same package. Step 3. Add a Hong Kong business bank account within 7 days of incorporation. This is important. Most company formation agents charge 8,000 Hong Kong dollars just to introduce you to HSBC or Standard Chartered. Bastion Formations includes bank account opening assistance at no extra cost. We prep your KYC documents, pre-fill the application, and book the appointment. Approval takes 10 to 14 business days. You'll need proof of address, passport, and your certificate of incorporation. The bank wants to see a real business plan. Write 3 sentences about what you're selling and where revenue comes from. Here's the problem. Path A is the DIY route. You file incorporation yourself for 1,730 Hong Kong dollars, then hunt for a company secretary at 3,600 Hong Kong dollars per year, then rent a virtual office for 2,800 Hong Kong dollars. Total first-year cost is 8,130 Hong Kong dollars, and you spent 18 hours on paperwork. Path B is Bastion Formations. 6,500 Hong Kong dollars all in, 4-day turnaround, 0 coordination headaches. Here's the exact wording you can copy and paste when the bank asks for your business description. Write this in the HSBC business account application under business nature. Quote, "We operate a cross-border trading company sourcing consumer goods from mainland China and selling to international buyers via e-commerce platforms and B2B channels. Estimated first-year revenue is $150,000 with suppliers in Shenzhen and customers in North America and Europe." End quote. That sentence hits every compliance checkbox. Legal activity, real suppliers, real customers, revenue estimate. Banks reject vague descriptions like online business or trading company. Be specific. Name the product category, the geography, the channel. If you skip this step, your application sits in pending for 45 days. We operate a cross-border trading company sourcing consumer goods from mainland China and selling to international buyers via e-commerce platforms and B2B channels. Estimated first-year revenue is $150,000 with suppliers in Shenzhen and customers in North America and Europe. Use an all-in-one package to avoid hidden secretary and office fees. Bastion Formations does Hong Kong Ltd for 6,500 Hong Kong dollars with 4-day filing. Prep your bank KYC with the exact business description template above. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit Bastion Formations at bastionformations.com for your Hong Kong company setup. Visit https://bastionformations.com.